Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and today I'm going to show you how to make my take on a classic American hot chocolate. There are many different versions of hot chocolate, so I'm going to show you the American version today. If you're like me when you were growing up and the version that you got was in one of the little packets in the store in the box, well then definitely you want to stick with me today. I'm going to show you how to make this from scratch. So let's get started with our ingredients, and we're going to start with our cocoa powder. I've got 2 tablespoons, or that is 15 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder, and I'm going to put that into this bowl here. I've got 2 tablespoons or 25 grams of sugar, and we're going to put that into that just like that. And so I've got some salt, and with the salt, what that's going to do with the chocolate is going to bring out those extra notes of that and make that really enhance the flavor of that chocolate. So we're just going to put in a pinch of salt. Now I'm going to take my whisk and I'm just going to whisk that together to get that a good mix through. All right, so now I've got these dry ingredients mixed together. I'm going to set these aside and get ready to start heating up our milk. So now I've got my pan heating up. Now I've got that on a medium low, and I've got 2 cups of milk, and you can use any kind of milk that you want to. This is whole milk that I've got here. That's 2 cups or 480 milliliters, and I'm going to put that into my pan. If you wanted to use oat milk, you could, or almond milk, or if you've got a lactose intolerance to milk, then definitely you can use that. It works with all of them. Now with the milk, we just want to gently bring this up to temperature on this. We do not want this to boil, because if you let it start boiling, you could take the chance of it scalding, and we definitely don't want that with our milk. You should be able to tell when it gets warm. You'll see just a little bit of steam coming off of it. You might see a few little bubbles around the edges of it, but we don't want it boiling. All right, so my milk is heated up now, and you can see the extra bubbles that I've got on the side there, and we definitely, like I said, you don't want this boiling because we don't want to take a chance of scalding our milk. So I've got my dry ingredients now, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that powder into that milk now, and I'm going to take my whisk and we're going to whisk that together really well. All right, I went on and turned my heat down on low. I want that down on low. I just want everything to get mixed together and to bring out those fantastic notes of that chocolate. Now I've got a 1/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and I'm going to put these in now, or that's 43 grams. And we're going to give that a stir around to get that mixed through. All right, now that I've got my chocolate chips melted now, I've got a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and we're going to add that in. Now I just turned off the heat to my unit here, so we want to make sure that it's turned off before we add in the vanilla, and just give that a good stir through. As you can see here, my hot chocolate has a nice color to it, and the smell is absolutely incredible. And it didn't take but just a few ingredients and just a little bit of time, and you've got a nice hot chocolate here. So I'm going to get myself a glass, and we're going to put some marshmallows in it, and we're going to give this a taste test. So I've got a little pitcher here, and I've got a funnel that I'm going to use here to pour this hot chocolate in. This smells absolutely incredible. I can't wait to give this a try. So now let's get me a glass of my hot chocolate here. This looks absolutely incredible. And I've got some marshmallows. Wouldn't be hot chocolate without some marshmallows on the top, so let's put some of those on. And now I've got some of the powdered chocolate here, my cocoa. I'm going to put that on the top of that. And there we have it, my take on an American hot chocolate. This looks and smells incredible. Let's give it a taste. Oh my goodness. Absolutely delicious. You're going to love this recipe. If you like this content, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And while you're at it, check out one of these other 2 videos over here on the side. You might find something else you like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment. I want to hear how your hot chocolate turns out. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye now. It's a winner. Delicious.